Normally when people have lost a whole arch of teeth, they lose the gum that goes with the teeth. So in the process of replacing teeth, we usually have to replace some gum as well. This can be done with dentures, with a large amount of plastic work, or with fixed bridges, which we're talking about for implants, on 6 implants, with either porcelain or with acrylic, which is a form of plastic. When it comes to actually designing the finished product, we will always try the finished teeth in some wax. This gives us the ability to move them in 3 dimensions. So if you want shorter teeth, we can move them up. If you want bigger teeth, we can move them down. If you want to change the colour of the teeth, it's all very easy at this point. Once we're all happy with the exact shape, size, position and orientation of the teeth, we can then go on to the next step, which is putting those into either acrylic, into the plastic, or changing the teeth into porcelain, which is a much harder material and doesn't wear quite so hard.